Hi everyone. So apparently I made a video of how you can download YouTube videos straight into your phone gallery, but I don't know. I just found out that YouTube has deleted it. I think just today or so. And I don't know why. But here is a new one. Is a complete tutorial on how you can download YouTube videos from YouTube down to your phones without any issue. And this you can do it both on Android or um, iPhone, whatever device that you're using. This um, trick will work for you without any stress. So without wasting any time, you can as well subscribe to my channel and like, share, whatever, comment that you want to do. And yeah, let's get straight to the business of the day. So right now I'm already on YouTube, and this is a video I've selected. I carefully selected this one because the former one I used, I don't know, Facebook, YouTube, I don't know, they said it's inappropriate and stuff like that. So here is what you have to do. Once you've seen a video that you like, all you just have to do is you know, click on it, open it up, then click on this share button, then copy the link. That's all you need, and then you move out. And now you go over to your, I usually use UC browser, and then you go over, type it in, just paste the address, and then log it in. So you just have to wait for like a minute, um, say 5 minutes or so, and then it pops up. Once it comes up, this is what you have to do for me. Now it's opened, and all you just have to do is click, go back to this search bar, open it up, and then scroll down. All right. So once you get to this space, all you just have to do is and then you put in your SS. That is all. And then you go back and click go. So as you can see, it's loading fast, and it brings you to uh, this website called Save from Net, and it says your video is ready. So all you just have to do is yeah, just choose any one of these you want, MP3, MP4, whatever, and then start downloading your video. Don't worry about these things, it will still download. So all you just have to do is click download, and voila, begins to download, and you've successfully downloaded YouTube videos. So guys, that's all all about it this night. See you on another episode.